In this question, two statements are given. One is assertion and the other is the reason. And in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Assertion states that all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Now it is correct. All vertebrates are indeed chordates because they have a notochord at some stage of development, but not all chordates are vertebrates. For example, protochordates like lanceolate and tunicates are chordates that do not have a vertebral column. Reason: notochord is replaced by vertebral column in the adult vertebrates. Now it is also correct. In adult vertebrates, the notochord is replaced by the vertebral column, that is the backbone that provides structural support. Hence, the correct answer is option D.